Welcome guys, I am Soham Malik and in this video I am going to show you how to create this cursive handwriting page or cursive handwriting workbook page using PowerPoint. You can also use this same trick to create this page within Photoshop, Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator. And in this video we are also going to have a look on the niche. So let's get started. We are on Amazon.com and here I have typed cursive handwriting workbook, and you can see this niche is not too much competitive. There are 1000 results. You can also check out some other keywords and you can see that the niche is not so much competitive, but the demand is very high. You can see here the demand. I have opened these three in new tabs and I am gonna look at their bestseller ranks to have an idea of demand. You can see here this book is ranking number 518 in books, and that is selling tons of books per month. Let's have a look on the per day sales. KDP sales calculator. KDP sales calculator, and there is Kindle printout calculator, and we will have a look on the number of sales per day of this paperback. So let's check it out. First switch to books and then enter 518 and just click here. 106 units per day. Although this calculator is not accurate and it shows a bit higher numbers, then if you have a rough estimate, then this book is at least selling 60 to 70 or 80 books per day. And if we multiply this with 30, then it would be selling 30 into, if let's suppose it is selling 80 books, so it is selling 2400 units per month at least. So let's have a look on second. These books are from the same author or publishing company, and it is also independently published. 176, that is selling more than the previous one. 176. Click here. 224 books per day. If you go on a safer side, then you can say this is selling 150 units at least per day. And when it is selling 150 units, you can also calculate its per month earning. It is selling 4,500 units. If it is earning $2, then it would be making 9,000, and if it is earning $1, then it would be easily making 4,500 per month. So we have an idea of this niche that is highly profitable, and that is cursive handwriting niche. And in this video I am gonna have a look on the interior and also show you a very easy way to create this similar interior or the same interior for your cursive handwriting books. So let's have a look. You can see here, just zoom it out, and these are very simple and easy to create. You just need a font, a special font to create this, and in this video I am going to show you a font that is totally for free, and you can use it commercially without paying a dime. And I will show you how to get the font for free, and let's just start. So the font name is, and let's have a look. Font is Learning Curve Ruled. Font name is Learning Curve Ruled, and I have already installed this font on my PC. and in this video I am going to show you. This is learning curve ruled, and you can get this font from, it was bvfonts.com, bvfonts.com, and here in the search bar you should type learning curve rule. So when you type learning curve rules, then you will be presented with this font. This is the font I have used in my book creation or cursive handwriting paper creation. So you can see here it is contains 4 fonts: regular, bold, dash, dings, and it is for free. And here you can see the license information. Just click on it and you will read. You can read all free fonts at bvfonts.com are freeware. You can use them in personal and commercial work if you have downloaded them. So it is sufficient for us. You can use them in personal and commercial as well. So that is totally free font, and just click on download and install on your PC or laptop. You can see here price free. So I have already installed this. It comes with 4 type of fonts. Let me show you. That is learning curve bold, learning curve dashed, and learning curve regular ruled. So let me show you how to create this page. So I have created a page of 8.5 into 11. Let me show you the size. That is 8.5 inch into 11 inch, and just duplicate this page and let me delete everything so that we can start for fresh. I have added a text box here, then I will go to here and I will select the font, that is learning curve ruled here. So just start typing capital A, then small a, and keep typing. In this way, ruled lines are automatically added in this font. You can make a text. This page is 8.5 into 11. Then you should make a text, add some borders, and you can easily add the borders around this by adding a shape like this. That is the rectangular shape, and resize this shape. Going to shape format and select the shape height to 10. Leave 1.5 inch toward the top and half inch toward the bottom. So your height of the shape should be 10, and then select the width of the shape to 7.5. So we are leaving 0.5 inch margin for 4 corners. Just align it, align to center and then align to middle, and let me show you. That is white or the border. Then click on this shape again and then go to fill and then no fill. So this is our border. Just stay inside this border while creating this page. Let me zoom. When you have reached this end, just press space to make the lines reach toward the end, and then again press enter, type letter B, then keep typing small b like this. And in this way you can adjust the spacing, and you can carry on with your own taste of spacing and line spacing and font size. This is the way you can create cursive handwriting paper for kids and for adults as well. So if you wanna make these dashed, just select them and then go to home, and from the fonts click on learning curve dashed ruled, learning curve dash ruled, and these second letter will become ruled. Now select these all and then select the learning curve dashed ruled, and come here again and select these and learning curve dash ruled. So this you can again go back and enlarge these letters in this way and type again A. I am just giving you an idea. I am not focusing on the spaces between the letters. You should focus on them. And here you can also add sentences. To add sentences, just keep typing. To have an idea of sentences, you can go here on Google and type handwriting, cursive handwriting practice sentences. Click here and you will be presented with images and search results. I am currently looking at the images to quickly grab a sentence. You can see here, this is Egypt is a land of mystery. You can go and type here Egypt is a land of mystery. Then we will go here, type make a friend when you don't, this is a quote, no need it. This is a quote. You can write or create a cursive handwriting books of quotes and things like that. Where there is line is missing, then you can always go back and press the space key for several times and it will add a line. So this is how you can create. You can also make these letter dash if you want to. Then go back and click on learning curve dash ruled. This is how you can create cursive handwriting book and make huge profit, because this niche is a gold mine for newbies and for experienced publishers as well. So if you have liked this video, then do subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell notification icon. I will leave the link of this font in the description of this video. Just grab this free font and start creating your books today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.